There is now $0.025 worth of Jasmy trading on the open market, with a 24-hour trading volume of $798.47 million, a market size of $119.28 million, and a market share of 0.01%. Since yesterday, the price of Jasmy has increased by 10.12%. When Jasmy traded at $4.92 on February 16, 2021, it set a new all-time high. The price has dropped to $0.008 from its all-time high. Jasmy hit a new high today, surpassing its previous cycle low of $0.329. Jasmy's current price forecast is neutral. There are now 4.75 billion Jasmy in circulation, out of a total supply of 50.00 billion Jasmy. Jasmy has risen to position 137 in the Ethereum market capitalization rankings. Prices for Jasmy have dropped by 36.09% in the preceding month. By comparison to Ethereum, 32.04%, and Bitcoin, 28.67%, Jasmy has lost more than 30% of its value since January 1. Jasmy's value is expected to rise by 3.93% and reach $0.026 by April 29, 2022. In our technical indicators, the Fear and Greed Index is suggesting extreme fear, which is indicative of a neutral attitude toward the stock market. With a price volatility of 23.41%, Jasmy saw 33.3% green days in the preceding 30 days. Based on our forecast, we think now is the best time to buy Jasmy. According to the current conventional pivot point, Jasmy has support levels of $0.022, $0.021, and $0.0201 at these levels. Jasmy faces three levels of opposition, all of which are at or below $0.025. Jasmy's value has a negative inverse correlation coefficient of 0.085 with a market capitalization of the top 10 stablecoins and 0.206 with the top 100 stablecoins. In order to have a feel for the Jasmy price in the future, it's a good idea to study the price history of the cryptocurrency. Minus 36.17% of its worth has been wiped down in the last month. The Jasmy USD has had a year-to-date return of minus 97.58%. An advanced candlestick graph is favored by most traders because it delivers more data than a conventional line chart. On the other hand, a weekly candlestick chart may be used to discover long-term patterns in Jasmy's price movement by using a 5-minute candlestick chart. 1-hour, 4-hour, and 1-day candlestick charts are particularly popular. Let's take a look at a 1-hour candlestick chart as an illustration of what I mean. We can see how Jasmy's price has fluctuated over time thanks to the 1-hour candles on the chart. These candles reflect the price of Jasmy at the beginning and conclusion of the 1-hour period, together with its highest and lowest values reached during this time period. Green candles often indicate a rise in the closing price, and red candles generally indicate a reduction in the closing price. As a general rule of thumb, charts that don't use colors may use hollow or full candlestick bodies.